Good afternoon. I am here in Senoia, Georgia today, and the transformation is absolutely stunning. This is actually for a family member. This is my cousin's home, and she has such great style. She really put everything together so nicely, and there's still a few pieces that we have finishing touches that are not complete, but I wanted to give you a little video of what she's done. Look how stunning! So before, the floor was like a brownish tile color. There was a wall right here where the ceiling is still being worked on. And they extended the shower to make it a little larger for them, and they put the glass in, so they removed the wall that was standing here. And then they added the tile along the back of behind the bathtub to prevent water damage to the walls, and they added a nice little nook. This is like a honeycomb tile on the floor, and it has like whites and like light colors of gray, and then the honeycomb along the back wall as well. This is a subway tile. It's a 3 by 11 and then 12 by 24 hexagon tile on the main bathroom floor. And then she's still working on changing out the knobs. They're gonna be black knobs with black faucets to pull the black from the rest of the fixtures. But she did such a lovely job, and it just looks so clean and bright. It's just gorgeous. Thanks for tuning in.